In the world of strategic hunters, the trapdoor spider stands unparalleled, weaving a tale of patience and precision. These remarkable arachnids craft intricate burrows with camouflaged lids, waiting silently for unsuspecting prey to approach. With incredible speed, a trapdoor spider can spring out in the blink of an eye, capturing insects with a predatory finesse unmatched in the animal kingdom. Their unique method of hunting showcases not just raw power, but a fascinating blend of engineering and art. Living underground for protection, they rely on vibrations to sense the presence of prey, demonstrating nature's brilliant adaptation for survival and hunting.